For this video, we're going to look at a slightly harder version of the difference of two squares factoring method. In this case, it's harder because we have 36x squared minus 49y squared. So we have some numbers in each of the two terms, and we have variables in each of the two terms. But really, the process is still going to be the same. You can go through your mental checklist, and you can say we have two terms, that's good. There's a minus sign between the two terms, that's good. And you can go ahead and check to make sure that you can cleanly take the square root of each of your two terms. So similar to what we did in the last video, we're going to look at the square root of 36x squared, and that's going to give us 6x. Again, that comes from the fact that the square root of 36 is 6, and the square root of x squared is x. And we can do the same thing with the second term. The square root of 49y squared is going to give us 7 multiplied by y. And that comes from the fact that the square root of 49 is 7, the square root of y squared is y. So now that we've gone through our mental checklist, we can go ahead and set up the rest of the procedure for factoring using the difference of two squares. So we're going to write our two sets of parentheses, and we're going to take the square root of the first term, which we already found to be 6x, and place that in the first slot for each set of parentheses. And then we take our square root of our second term, which we already found to be 7 multiplied by y, and we're going to put that in the second slot for each set of parentheses. So 7y right there and right there. And then we're just going to put a plus and a minus. So the final answer, after you factored, is 6x plus 7y multiplied by 6x minus 7y. And that's it.